Okay, well, I'm testing this to see what happens. It doesn't seem like my audio video is working too good today. But I'm going to go ahead and record this just to see if it works. Alright, today is Monday, January 21st. Let's see what's new on the market here in Las Vegas. Let's see. Looks like there's about 10 of them that went on the market between last night and this morning. And about another 38 on Sunday. Quite a few went on Saturday morning. Like, okay, we'll go here, and we've got Monday, Sunday, and Saturday. So we'll go back 3 days. Yeah, a lot going on the weekend. Interesting. There we go. 313. Wow. Okay, so let's get back up to our first page. Straighten these little turkeys out. It looks like we've got Hacienda. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, single-family home. And, oh, look at that. Not too bad. For $99,000. Interesting, built in 99. It's out of the area. That's why it's so cheap. Where are we here? Let's go down to California. Wow. Okay. Let's get into something that's really in our area here. So Falcon Head, 149, 2-story, 1,100 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, built in 1990. Yeah, a little condo there. Popcorn ceilings. Pretty nice. Looks like I had some damage up above here at one time. Been patched. Pool spa area. Nice shots there. So what we're looking at here. Ground level. 163 a month. Association dues. Man, that is crazy. It's not really, because I'm getting up in over 200. These HOAs are just crazy these days. So then we have 400,000. No pictures. 1-story, 2,100 square feet. Downeyville, that's the Sin City Anthem. Out there, Eastern and Anthem Parkway. Here in Henderson. And then that one. Okay, then we go into, for yesterday, your condo over on Tropicana. Pretty clean. A little bit of upgrades. Oh, that's a bad picture. Washer and dryer's crooked. Interesting. Okay. 695 square feet, 1 bedroom, 1 bath. 1998 year built. Okay. Let's go down another page or two. Down to here. We got this house on Pristine Glen. 1.6 million in round figures. Looks pretty nice. 3-car garage. Nice little light fixture there. We got as far as views or outdoor living areas. Good city view there. It's the outdoor living area. Nice pool. And we are town center in Flamingo. Okay. South Summerlin area. Okay. Now, looks like Saturday we have this little condo over on Katy. Let's see what we got here. That's pretty clean. Pool. Okay. 115,000 square feet. 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, built in 80. Katy is Maryland Parkway in Flamingo. Close to the strip. Get into the next page here. Run Dry Brook Trail. 1.5 million, 4,500 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 5 baths, 3-car garage, pool, spa. Sounds like a pretty nice house. Into the outdoor living area, having a closet there. Get on the golf course. Round pool there, nice waterfall there. Built-in barbecue area. So where are we here? We are on Anthem Country Club. Yep. Anthem Country Club. Okay. We have this mobile home over here on Twain, which is out there. Manufactured home. Looks like somebody's doing a remodel job there. 85,000. It's been converted. Fix up manufactured. Converted. Nope. So as you're buying is a lot. Each car lot. Total fixer upper. Property is alarmed. Okay. Good job. Because you got to protect their investment. Oops, previous. Okay, here we go. 1.7 million. A lot of foliage there to take care of. Nice pool. I like that. Pool's pretty green. A lot of exterior pictures. Oh, that's a nice interior. like that pool table. Kitchen could use some upgrading. That's pretty dated cabinetry, but you got a couple of refrigerators there, refrigerator and a freezer. I like that house. Trophy Hills. Rampart. Okay, over there. Alright. Well, that's about it. That's 10 minutes. Wow. A lot going on today. Alrighty. Well, you have a great day, and we'll talk to you either tomorrow or Wednesday.